Increase affiliate marketing rewards with these tips. Are you ready to get started in affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing can be a fun and easy alternative to make a lot of money from your home. This video is full of simple and useful tips that can guide you on how to build a successful affiliate site that will become a great source of income over the years. A blog will be a regular way for you to interact with visitors, customers, and anyone who is involved in your field. A blog sets you up as an expert and allows you to get feedback from the people that you want to buy your product or service. Pick a high-quality product. If you recommend a product that is of poor quality, it will reflect back on you as a promoter. The last thing you want people to believe is that you purposely recommended a product that doesn't work. If you wouldn't trust it, don't ask your readers to. Your thank you half page has to be strong as an affiliate. You cannot let this step lapse just because it is the last page your customers are going to see. Always make sure that it's well written, and always include an affiliate link on this page, linking to another product offer or to another location that's valuable for you. Do not try to trick your readers by hiding your financial stake in your links. Your visitors are used to affiliate marketing and they know that you are running a blog or site in order to earn money. Let them know that you will be making money from the links that they click on. They will be more likely to go ahead and click, if you are upfront with them. If you want to make the highest payout with your affiliate marketing programs, you need to focus on content that captures the reader's attention and makes them see you as an expert with solutions. They will not just blindly click on advertising, but are more likely to click through if you are seen as an authority on the subject. Affiliate marketing is no doubt a great alternative for making money. However, as with most things in life, it takes time and patience to make a site that people are willing to visit and generate money for you. If you follow these tips in this video persistently, you will most likely succeed with your affiliate program. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.